how big of a telescope would you need to be able to resolve a speck of dust on the surface of the moon? The Large Synoptic Survey Telescope has a functional aperture of a little less than 8.4 meters, and it has the capability of seeing something the size of a golf ball that's almost 24 kilometers away. But a speck of dust on the surface of the moon is going to be a little bit more challenging. You're going to be what's called diffraction limited. The resolving power of anything optical is defined by this equation. So if we know the frequency of light we're looking at divided by the diameter of the aperture of the telescope that we're using, we can figure out the smallest angular resolution we'd be able to see. So knowing all of this and our parameters and doing the math, you wouldn't need a 10, 100, or 1,000 meter telescope. You would need a 1.5 million meter telescope to see that dust. This is how big that would look compared to the United States, and this is how big it would look compared to Europe. And that's just to get to the diffraction limit. That's not even being able to resolve any detail. So for the same reason you can't see the lunar landing site from Earth, you won't ever be able to see a speck of dust on the moon from the Earth either.